tourism centre. It's probably talking more about himself. I could understand if it was like, you know, sentimental artifacts or something, but it's outside.
This was only 4,000,
Yeah.
which is 25 people away from us? No,
Is it?
20 feet.
Is it? Oh, right. Cost us more to get in. People,
Change the traffic around.
I know. People said it was quite nice to just get away from the traffic, but I can still hear it. Oh, hello, squirrel. Why do they call it eco-tourism?
I don't know, I mean, technically anything.
Oh, is that a turtle?
Yep. No,
So-
crab.
Oh, right.
Dead crab.
Is it dead?
Yep.
Oh. Can't see anything else, really. Thought there was going to be like ecosystems or something. That's just what I imagine.
It is an ecosystem.
True. Yeah, true.
All that traffic there, I can't imagine it being particularly clean.
I don't remember seeing this bit on the pictures. Yep, just keep going round. It's very green.
Problem with water is that it tends to be stagnant. So, mosquitoes and bugs galore.
Yeah, I'm probably going to get bitten.
Not this time of day, you're right now.
Still a welcome change to the smog of the main city.
With any luck, by the time it gets spanned done, we won't be woken up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day.
Between 4 and 5. Honestly, they were really loud this morning. I was like, is it 5? And then I thought, I don't feel like it's 5. Checked my phone, it was like 4, quarter past 4. I was like, ah, getting worse, man. You'd get an asbo back home. They weren't even trying to be quiet either.
Of course they're not, they're there to pray. Everyone is supposed to hear them.
I get that, but you know, quarter past 4 in the morning.
It's because for Ramadan, Muslims are supposed to fast. So if you wake them up at 4, they get to have breakfast, they pray, then they get on with their day because they're not eating again for 12 hours.
Yeah. This bit's a bit quieter once you get into the middle. Slightly, you still hear a bit of traffic.
Mortality conservation has only just started though.
Why? Because there's a lot of plants that are still young.
Yeah, it just feels not finished, do you know what I mean? Or barely started even.
Mangrove for better life. Well, there's your answer. It says 5th of June 2022.
Told ya.
So they've obviously gonna. Oh, there's the path. I'm not going that way then. Back the way we came then. I'm not going that way in case it's a bit off the beaten track.
We've got footwork to go off the beaten track.
Pictures I saw look different to this though.
They all do.
No, but I mean, there was meant to be a body of water in the middle, but not surrounded by this many trees then. So, I don't know if you get a different view from the other side. Basically, rather than walking around the edge, we'll find another path and look at the other side. Again, I don't think we're going to go for a dip in that.
At least we get a pool in Bali.
At least we get what?
A pool in Bali.
Yes. And shared though, you know that, right?
As long as it's not shared with 800 other people when we're 29 floors up.
No, I don't think it's that big. There wasn't even anybody at our pool, babe.
No, it's just a ball ache of having to go all the way up. Like those lifts take you back ever.
And it's the fact that you're going to be damp going in a lift.
Yeah.
With 27 floors. It'd be different if they had like a changing facility down there. Maybe they have, I don't know. I've spotted one, but you'd have thought they would have had at least an outdoor spritzer shower thing or something. Hose off. How weird are those loons? They look speckled.
They are pods, first posted.
Yeah, might be. Can't go straight on because that's got a weird log.
That is what you call it, fallen tree.
I know what it is. But weird log. Can we not go past it?
Go under it.
Can we not go around it?
Go under it.
I don't want to go under it.
No,
You go under it.
no, I'm just going to go around it.
I'm going to go around it. I'm not going under it. How small do you think I am?
Small enough.
No, no. If I was younger, I'd probably do the conga under that. Now if I tried it, I'd snap it out.
Ooh, what's that?
Ooh, what is it? Here and Dom, what is it? Yeah, more plants. That was 2023.
Yeah, that's this year. Very influential.
People just sat there chilling out. If you catch anything, give it a super good clean. little butterfly.
Now we're getting crazy.
Hello. Yep. Well, I've got a rough itinerary for Bali. I can imagine once Ramadan's over, a few places will come alive a bit more again. It's technically like a holiday for them, so they probably do close a lot of them.
Yeah, maybe. The thing is, we look at everything with a Western mind. You work Monday to Friday, you have weekends off, you work 9 till 5. But
It's not that static as everywhere else.
You work what you want to work. A lot of these, they're all self-employed.
Yeah.
They just earn what money they can and work. I mean, I say self-employed, probably not even class that. Well, taxi. How are you going to police it? It's an entire cash business, selling food or whatever.
Yeah. Well, we've almost gotten around to the big circle.
No, I'm not even halfway yet.
Oh, we don't? Oh,
Over there. We'll probably get in for halfway now.
alright. That's good if you want a nice bit of exercise around it. I did bring both batteries for the GoPro as well. Probably won't need them, seeing as though we're not going to the zoo.
Opening times. Again, that's another Western thing. Like, zoos back home are open 7 days a week. You just rotate your staff around. But here, then
Get a couple of days out, yeah. Well, it's probably a quiet day. Oh, here we go. Here's a cock. 2 cocks.
One cock, one hen.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Cock-a-doodle-oo. And there's a cat. Hello. That chicken's still running around.
There's multiples.
Oh, looks exactly the same as the one we've just seen.
I've got a feeling a storm's coming.
Oh, really?
Has that feeling. Barometric pressure's going up, the wind's picking up.
Thanks for that, weatherman.
Hey, how often am I wrong?
You're not. This is the weird thing. Well, let's hope that it just kind of holds until we get round this, go for lunch, and then get back in a taxi. Oh, pockets of water there. What, are they just little channels? Don't know if I'm getting that in there. the busy city life of it. Oh, hello. Hello. You're a bit random. You look a bit filthy, man. Well, I mean, touche on that one. This is why I love travelling, being it's like you don't get that back in the UK. You're walking down a road and then you see a random animal. I mean, sometimes you might see a random animal, but it's rare. What does this little archway say? Selamat Jalan. Selamat Jalan. Do we have to go right if we're following it around? That looks like a restaurant, but again doesn't look open. Well, the wind's died down and now it feels a bit humid again.
That?
Hey.
That noise?
I don't know if it was a cat. Hello. 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 If you're getting a dog, can I get a cat? Hello. Hello. Are you friendly? Another archway here. Can we actually go that way? Don't want to trespass.
I think the gate's not shut, so...
Kampung Ismail Mezuki. Are we going the right way? Nice little wooden chilling area there. Guessing that's, don't know what that is. Oh, hello.
You can't go that way. Do you want me to go on? English? Boss. Boss. So we have to go back that way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no worries. Where are you from? England.
England.
So you make your run.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry.
That's no worries.
Yeah,
Just a suggestion, closed gates. I wonder if this is more residential.
Does
'Cause
look like it.
could be residential.
Maybe.
I'm guessing we just go back the way we came then.